Hello everyone, 47th question. If tan inverse x is equal to pi by 4 minus tan inverse 1 by 3, then the value of x is. So tan inverse of x is equal to pi by 4 ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು tan inverse of 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ minus tan inverse of 1 by 3. So what is tan inverse 1? It is tan inverse A minus tan inverse B formula ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 plus 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 into 1 by 3. Correct ಇದೆಯಾ? So this is equal to tan inverse of 3 plus 1, 4 by 3, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. So tan inverse of 2 ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ wrong. Tan inverse A minus tan inverse B, tan inverse of A minus B. Hello everyone, 47th question. If tan inverse x is equal to pi by 4 minus tan inverse 1 by 3, then x is equal to. So tan inverse x is equal to pi by 4 andre tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 1 by 3. So tan inverse A minus tan inverse B adre. So tan inverse A minus B by 1 plus A into B ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So this is equal to tan inverse of 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3. 3 cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So ಅದು tan inverse 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. tan inverse 1 by 2 ಆದ್ರೆ x ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? 1 by 2 ಆಯ್ತು. Because tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2 ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ C ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So option C is our answer. Thank you.